kuthiwe bashikashika ubusuku bonke kodwa babuye namanethe empty. Now it was a way of fishing ngalelo xesha kuba abalobi beyinhlanzi bajwila inethe ebusuku. Hayi emini, hayi sephumile ilanga kodwa baphosa amanethe ebusuku. Little Bible in the conducive environment, which was the night, and we never fumelayo. Lalo bubuso, akage bafumaneto, bebili bachuluga out of labor and sweat, but they caught nothing. Their nets were empty, and Jesus showed up, followed by multitudes, and they were pressing on him, wanting the word, and he said, Simon Peter, borrow me your boat. Petros geskate kokomanete waklina. Wanigezu Yesu, hey. Wanigezu mkonje. Uyesu ahlale mkonjini. And he began to preach the gospel. He preached the kingdom of God. Now Petros geskate kokinetsa. Uyesu. Ukuti there is something happening in the inside. Umntwana phakathi ungena lilizwi lithi iBhayibheli emva kwesermon teaching yakhe lithi iBhayibheli wathi kuPetro, where Peter, throw your nets, phoselani inetsi zenu ekujuleni. Lithi iBhayibheli uPetro walanda umlando wathi mankosi siyakufa wena ubungekho ebusuku besiphosa kule ndawo amanetha abuye empty besijwila amanetha kule ndawo. Hayibo Yesu awutsho nokuba asishintshe location uthi masiqhubeke. Guys, we don't like guys, we don't pick up uthi masijwile kwa kade siphosa apha amanetha abuye empty kade sibila apha akwenzeki into. Uthi uPetros wena Yesu wazi kade siphosa amanetha kule ndawo besibuye inetha zi-empty. Wayesethi uPetros egcine ukunikeza i-recap u-background wathi kodwa kwashuba ulivile ilizwe belihamba. Somebody come on. Kwashuba ulizwile I feel like dancing in this house. Kwashuba ulivile ilizwe amazuthu Isaiah bezothi Isaiah 55 verse 11 linjalo ilizwe liphume emlomeni yami alibuyishapha linembatha lingawenza umsebenzi alithubelona i-apostolic center give ilizwi lingabawa lihamba kule ntetho ilizwe lihamba. Yes! Come on, louder. Liyahamba, livula pokujikwa khona. Liyahamba. Atuma Hebrew 12, atuma Hebrew 4 verse 12. Linjalo ilizwi lakho, athi linamandla, athi liyaphila, athi liyasika, njengefane lisika hlangothi zombili, athi liyadabula umoya nomphefumulo, athi liyadabula inhliziyo nezizimba, athi liyakrazula ithambo nabango. Hamba lizwi likaYehova, hamba lizwi likaYehova. Kade sishikashika, kade sizama